As I was waiting on my 1 p.m. appointment, the lady calls and says she has to take her husband to the emergency room. I met this woman maybe about 4 months ago, and she was very interested in getting started. We quoted her. She was ready. She came by the office, picked up a package. She did not pull the trigger. She told me her husband was very vulnerable to being put in the hospital. The great thing is what I offered her was a hospital indemnity plan that will pay up to $20,000 per hospital admission. It also pays for any type of outpatient surgery, about $3,000. It also pays for evaluations, so being admitted into the hospital or urgent care, it will pay for the evaluations. What does that mean? Does it mean paying for the actual service? No. It means that this is a secondary policy that pays the beneficiary directly. Who is the beneficiary? It's not somebody that's dead. It's the actual person that went to the hospital, went to urgent care, that had to see a specialist, any of those things. They file a claim with the carrier, they send them a check. They was in the hospital for 7 days, that could be $7,000. However, these are things that are available that keeps people from diving into their savings, losing their savings, having to mortgage their home. This is the way that offers protection for your assets, keeping them, maintaining them. So it's a maintenance type of product that's extremely affordable, crazy affordable. I could not believe how low the cost was. The great thing about it is that our agency offers guaranteed approval up to 79 years old. Guaranteed, meaning you could be walked up out of the hospital just yesterday and walk over here and get a plan written up. We won't even ask you about your health. Nope, barely any questions about it, because it'll be under the guaranteed if there is a question that my health might not be too good or I just left the hospital. So you will become up under our guaranteed type of approval. I just think it's a really awesome product. If you are in charge of someone that you know is vulnerable to the hospital, or if you think you may be planning outpatient surgery, you need to check it out. Additionally, not only is it amazing for hospital stays or hospital evaluations, they also pay out on diagnose. That's it. I've been diagnosed. I've been diagnosed with cancer, or that's up to 50 to 75,000 immediate payout on diagnosis. What does that do? For one, it gives you options. You might say, you know what, I don't want to go through chemo. I want to go through something natural, holistic. You know what, I want to fly to the best treatment center to start early intervention. That's what the money kind of affords you, those type of options. The other cover is anything to do with your heart, any type of stroke, any type of heart attacks. They not only pay out once, they pay out multiple times. So I've known some people that have multiple strokes, so there'll be multiple pay. If you're still working, it's amazing. It helps cover while you're home, or you lose your job or anything like that. If you want to pay your bills with it, or pay the actual bill that was created from any type of hospital visit or stay or doctor or whatever, that's your choice. The great thing is it's your money. You get to choose. I think what's happened over the last few decades is that we has gotten accustomed to not having a choice, to not handling our own business affairs. If you're like me, you want to take that power back. Get that power back. There's so many things that you can do on your own that provides a lot of flexibility and provides more protection for you, your family, your assets, and your income. Savings. That's what this is about. If you want more information, comment below. I'll be more than happy to provide. If you're an agent, listen, you should definitely be offering these things. I can help you get contracted. Also give you the know-how on how to get this in your community and help people obtain this type of coverage. So many people don't know about it. Toodles.